If you are new to contact lenses, applying them and removing them might seem daunting at first, but with our top tips, it will soon become second nature. We're always here to support you and help guide you through the early stages. Take it slowly and follow our guide. It may take a while at first, but as with almost any new activity, the more you do it, the easier it becomes. Soon you'll be able to apply and remove your contact lenses with ease and confidence. Like your shoes, your left and right contact lenses are different. When applying your contact lenses, start with the same eye every time. You'll be less likely to switch the lenses by mistake. As a new wearer, you may need to build up your wearing time, so keep your glasses with you. Don't worry, your eyes will quickly adapt and you'll soon be able to enjoy the freedom of contact lenses for longer periods of time. Do not rinse your contact lenses or your contact lens case with tap water, and avoid wearing your contact lenses in swimming pools, saunas, and the sea, as this increases the risk of eye infections. Remember to remove lenses before washing your face, or make sure your eyes are closed. If you wear reusable lenses with solutions, remember to change your case every month. This helps to prevent the buildup of deposits in the case, which could contaminate your lenses and potentially cause an infection. If you wear daily disposable lenses, remember to throw your lenses away after every wear. Don't store them in solution and reuse them. Putting your contact lenses on the wrong way can cause some discomfort. The easiest way to tell if the lens is the right way is by looking at the edges. If it's a perfect bowl shape, it's right. If the edges are flat like a saucer, it's inside out. Never wear a damaged lens. If you notice any damage, like a tear or split in your contact lens, don't be tempted to wear it. Ask your optician for a replacement if necessary. A great benefit of our direct debit scheme is free replacement lenses. Replace your lenses on time to keep your contact lenses comfortable and clear. Only use solution and drops recommended by your optician. If your eyes are red, take the day off wearing your lenses. If your eyes look red, feel sore, or your vision is blurred, don't be tempted to wear your lenses and seek immediate advice from your optician. Not only does sharing contact lenses spread bacteria from person to person, but contact lenses are fitted and prescribed to suit your vision and your eyes. In this instance, sharing is definitely not caring. Don't recycle. We know recycling is great, but not your lens solution. Always use fresh solution and never top up old solution with new solution. Your eyes won't thank you for it. Be careful if you are applying contact lens with long nails. We know it's fashionable to have long fingernails, but you also risk scratching your contact lens, so please be careful if your nails are long. Apply makeup after your contact lenses. Make sure you apply your contact lenses first and never use mascara past its use-by date. Your contact lens won't thank you for flaky mascara. Don't get hairspray in your eyes. Hairstyle needs fixing in place? No problem. Just make sure your eyes are closed when using hairspray or spray before applying your contact lenses. Don't sleep in contact lenses that are not designed to be slept in. Certain types of contact lenses have been designed for extended wear or for wearing while sleeping. Only sleep in contact lenses if you have been advised that the lenses you have been prescribed are licensed in this way. Situations change. Remember to make a follow-up appointment to make sure you are wearing the best contact lenses for your lifestyle. If in doubt, take them out and ask your optician. Ask yourself these simple questions. Can I see well? Do my eyes look good? Do my lenses feel comfortable? If the answer to any of these questions is no, take your lenses off immediately and speak to your optician. They're always happy to help.